I am Jade Cook and I run Spectrum Community Arts, which provides performing arts workshops for people with disabilities and additional needs. The purple t-shirts are the Spectrum team. Majority of them are volunteers and we literally couldn't run Spectrum without them. They're such a valuable part of our organisation. Our volunteers are such a vital part of Spectrum and we need them to be able to offer the level of service that we do. Because we're a not-for-profit, we can't financially support having that many people in the room to help our participants engage in the way that we want to. So having volunteers allows us to offer this higher level of service to our participants. By helping at Spectrum, the volunteers get training in autism awareness, how to support people who don't communicate verbally, how to support anxious participants, and they also have lots of social activities and we have become a Spectrum family.
My name's Phil, I'm father to Amber and Emily. Jade and the people that run it just treat our children at the level that they're at and they just feel welcome.
I think someone should come and volunteer for Spectrum because it's such an inclusive environment. It's a lot of fun. We always welcome you with open arms. And it's really great for kind of other things as well, such as university applications. It also looks really good on CVs. And it's so much fun. I love it. It's one of my favourite parts of my whole week. And you know, what's better than that? My dance moves have gotten a lot better as well, so that's very exciting. They have gotten better. I can floss now. It's exciting.
You should volunteer for Spectrum because everybody deserves a safe place where they can enjoy themselves and have fun and be free to express themselves. And I think it's a really awesome thing to be part of something that can provide that for so many people.
I volunteer with Spectrum, firstly because it's really good experience. So for me personally, it's helped me get into paid work. So I started off at Spectrum with no experience at all, but then I soon got into paid jobs in schools and residential homes with children. It's really fun. The kids are really happy, the volunteers are really happy, so it's really therapeutic when you come here after a long day at work or a long day at university and you can just relax and have lots of fun. And it's a really comfortable and safe atmosphere where nobody judges you, you're not expected to know what to do, everyone will support you. And yeah, it's a lovely place to be.
I think people should volunteer for Spectrum because it's a safe space that everyone can be themselves no matter who you are or where you come from, and it's a class for everyone.
Spectrum is such a positive space to be in, not just for our participants but for the volunteers as well. Everyone here is really kind, welcoming, really friendly, and volunteers are like one big family. And it's the perfect place to come if you've had a bad day, to forget about the rest of the world, forget about all your worries and just have a good time and have a dance and a boogie with the kids.
If you'd like to find out more about Spectrum, you can head to our website at www.spectrumca.co.uk, finding us on Facebook, Instagram, or just giving us a call.